Hey guys, it's Marwan here again, your sales consultant at Steele Hyundai Halifax. And today I'm going to talk about the 2022 preferred Kona all-electric. Stay tuned. So as always, I'd like to show you a quick 360 of how the Kona EV looks like. It's an all-electric vehicle, as you can see here. So right now I want to talk about a couple of features from outside the vehicle. Stay tuned. Guys, as you can see, this Kona looks similar to the regular Kona, but it's all electric. If you look up front here, that's where you charge your vehicle. And this preferred 2022 Kona EV comes with, obviously you got your blind spot right here, both sides. You got your turn signal right there, in case someone doesn't see that you're turning left or right. That will help a lot to avoid collision. And I want to show you as well how much space you got in the back in the trunk. So if you put your hand here, click on it, it'll open. It got pretty good space. And if that is not enough for you, before I show you how the seats go down from to get an extra space, this AV, the preferred one, comes with an keyless entry. So if you have your key in your pocket, you just go right here. There's a black square. Click on that, and it's gonna unlock the car for you. And this is the back seat of the car. It got really good space. And right here, if you need more space in the trunk, if you see that lever right there, you just pull on it and the seat will go all the way down, as you can see. I want to show you how that looks like on the back. As well, they come with a 17-inch rim, as you can see right there. So right now, I would like to talk about some features from the inside the vehicle. Stay tuned. So guys, this is how it looks like inside the 2022 Kona Preferred EV. I'm just gonna start it up for you. You got your push start button right there. Press on the brake, click on that. You also got your 8-inch touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I will explain that soon enough. So right here, as you can see, you got your digital odometer that has your settings and stuff. You got your steering wheel with a bunch of options right there. I'm gonna explain that right now. This button here, it is like a menu button. If I click on that, you see your settings. Yeah, you got your driver assistant, your eco lights, door. So if you go on like driver assistant right here, you got your warning timing, your forward safety, lane safety, blind spot safety, parking safety, bunch of other features right there. Same goes for doors. Got your automatically lock door and your two-press unlock door. You also have your cruise control right there, as you can see right here. And you got your lane keep assist as well. You got your volume up and down right there. And if you look in the middle right here, this is your gear, to push gear right here, the push button. You got your dashboard right there. You got your temperature control right here and your fan speed as well right there. As well, you got features right here such as your heated front seats and your heated steering wheel. So if you click on the heated front seat, this is the driver's seat. You got it comes with 3 different levels. It starts at 3, 2, 1, then turns off. And if you click on that, that's your heated steering wheel. It will light up, and then your steering wheel will heat up, and you get cozy while driving in the winter. As well, you got your driver mode. So if I click on that, it switched to normal, from eco to normal, then sport. So that's pretty cool. Even the odometers switch, like they switch colors as well. You got your eco blue color, normal is like a white color, and then sport with the red color, red and black. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching again. It's Marwan again, sales consultant at Steele Hyundai Halifax. If you want to take this 2022 Kona EV on a test drive, please call us at 902-454-1000. And if you want to reach me personally, I got my information in the description below. And again, ask for me at Steele Hyundai. Marwan again with you. Have a good day.